Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to view blocked voicemails on your iPhone. It is quick, easy, and takes just a few steps. Here's what we will cover. Step 1. Open the phone app. Step 2. Go to the voicemail tab. Step 3. Find the blocked messages folder. Let us dive right in. Step 1. Open the phone app. On your iPhone, tap the phone app. It is the green icon with a white phone receiver. This is where you manage all your calls and voicemails. Step 2. Go to the voicemail tab. At the bottom, right corner, tap voicemail. This will take you to all your saved and missed voicemail messages. Step 3. Find the blocked messages folder. Tap on it. Here, you'll find all the voicemails from numbers you have blocked. You can listen to them, review them, or simply clear them out as needed. And that's it. That is how you can view blocked voicemails on your iPhone in just a few taps. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more simple iPhone tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.